kitchen with all of my friends. Everyone is having fun. Cooking up a storm, now that's what we do. There's something cooking in the kitchen just for you. We'll need a recipe and a plate for that. Get some fruits and vegetables and snippety snap. Cooking in the kitchen with